Crash course on Finland: people, historical landmarks and architecture, population diversity, immigration policy. Explore the iconic historical landmarks and architectural wonders of this country. Finland, a picturesque Nordic country located in northern Europe, is renowned for its unique geographical location, stunning natural landscapes, and a plethora of outdoor adventures. Let us delve into the distinctiveness of its geography and the array of outdoor activities it offers to visitors. Geographical uniqueness. Finland's geographical position sets it apart from other countries. Situated in the northern part of Europe, it borders Sweden to the west, Norway to the north, and Russia to the east. The country boasts an extensive coastline along the Gulf of Bothnia, the Gulf of Finland, and the Baltic Sea. Moreover, Finland is home to more than 180,000 lakes, earning it the nickname, Land of 1,000 Lakes. Its vast forests cover a significant portion of the landscape, making it a nature lover's paradise. Natural landscapes and outdoor adventures. The breathtaking natural landscapes in Finland encompass a wide range of picturesque settings. From the serene lakeside views to the pristine wilderness, the country offers an abundance of opportunities for outdoor enthusiasts. 1. National parks. Finland takes pride in its 40 national parks, each showcasing diverse flora and fauna. One such gem is the Nuuksio National Park, located near Helsinki, providing hiking trails, forests, and tranquil lakes. 2. Aurora Borealis. In the northern parts of Finland, the enchanting northern lights, also known as Aurora Borealis, paint the night sky with vivid colors, creating a mesmerizing spectacle. 3. Sauna culture. Finland is the birthplace of the sauna, and this traditional practice is deeply ingrained in the country's culture. A visit to Finland is incomplete without experiencing an authentic sauna session. 4. Arctic adventures. For the adventurous souls, Lapland offers thrilling experiences such as husky sledding, snowmobiling, and ice fishing. 5. Hiking and skiing. During the summer, hiking trails provide an opportunity to explore the stunning wilderness, while in winter, Finland's ski resorts become a haven for snow sports enthusiasts. 6. Midnight sun. In the northernmost parts of the country, visitors can witness the midnight sun during the summer months, where the sun never sets, creating a unique and surreal experience. 7. Saimaa Lake region. The Saimaa region is home to Finland's largest lake and offers opportunities for water activities like boating, fishing, and kayaking. 8. Archipelago trail. Exploring the Archipelago Sea, a vast network of islands, presents an unforgettable maritime adventure. 9. Santa Claus village. Rovaniemi, known as the hometown of Santa Claus, allows visitors to meet Santa and enjoy festive Christmas activities all year round. 10. Finnish Lakeland. The Lakeland region with its tranquil waters and lush landscapes provides a serene retreat for relaxation and contemplation. 11. Baltic Sea cruises. Embarking on a Baltic Sea cruise from Helsinki opens up opportunities to explore neighboring countries like Estonia, Sweden, and Russia. 12. Finnish cuisine. Finland's traditional cuisine, including dishes like Karelian pastries, reindeer meat, and seafood delicacies, offers a unique culinary experience. Summarize. Finland is a land of captivating natural beauty and exciting outdoor adventures. Its diverse landscapes, ranging from lakes and forests to the Arctic wonders, attract travelers from all over the world. Whether you seek tranquility in nature or crave thrilling experiences, Finland promises a memorable journey. From the enchanting northern lights to the authentic sauna culture, there is something extraordinary for everyone to discover in this Scandinavian treasure. Ending note. ******. Start planning your next global adventure with ease and convenience with our Booking.com referral link. https://www.booking.com/index.html $8=7989335. It is a great choice to plan your next trip. You can find and book flights, hotels, cars, and local attractions all in one place, and their price match guarantee ensures you're getting the best deal. Thank you for the kind support of our Anhub Metaverse channel, and please subscribe and watch more interesting videos here.